Well, good morning, everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing? So, I have printed out the Pure Style, um, or I should say, I drew it out. And here are all of the pattern pieces. So, I know that this is the dress front, and it's cut on fold. And it should be one each fabric and one of lining if you're going to do it. This is the dress back. Cut two each. Here's where the darts are. Um, and then these are the sleeves. This one's the front. And cut two. Probably each. And then the sleeve back. How can I tell that? This has two. And this has one, So, and then this and this will match. So here has two that match the back. This one is the one that matches the front. Okay, now we've got the sleeve. This is for the jacket. This is the jacket back. Again, this is on a fold. This is the jacket front. Cut two. This is the jacket back. I'm thinking, yep. And those are the pieces like this. We'll sew in right here. And then when you get the sleeves on and everything, this part and this part would be the actual side seam. So this is cut two. Cut one, cut two, cut two. Okay, so this is the Pure Style. And I'm just putting the pieces on, writing it on there so I know that I don't forget in the future. Now, one thing I was thinking about doing, I don't know if you can see this very well. You really can't. This one right here is, you can tell more down here. It's solid up, but down here is kind of dotted. And I think this was a dotted line. I'm not exactly sure on that. I would have to look at the actual pattern to see. But what I'm thinking about possibly doing in the future is having it draw like where the darts are, and then putting the, marking down here for the fold line or the wider seam allowance. And then this one doesn't have it, but Summer did. It had little circles and stuff for where you would do your snaps, so you could draw them there. But then have, like here, right here is an example. Whoops, let me get it up here. This, it wouldn't be a snap location. This would be where you would gather the sleeve cap to go in. If you do that, I don't necessarily like gathered sleeve caps. I would probably round mine off, but that's just me. But you could draw this stuff out on the fabric. You would not do this. You could have your dash line here and then make this outer line a cut line, so that when you wanted to cut your fabric, you could actually manipulate this some. Like this one, this line would have to be flipped to make it a full piece, because you can't cut two pieces of fabric. Can't cut one on a fold as far as I know. And then, at least on the machine. You could, if you want to do this one, you would have to do one and then flip it for the other. Same for here, same for this, same for this. And the reason is because if you didn't, like when you cut your fabric, it's either right sides together or wrong sides together. And if you didn't flip it, then you would have both of these like right side up. So when you went to sew it on the opposite side, it would end up showing the bottom side. So same for the dress. And I may do that, have it draw out everything here and that needs to be drawn, and then do the cut lines. That's an interesting thought. But I haven't cut just a single layer of fabric yet on the scanncut. I need to get a fabric mat that's extremely tacky that would hold the fabric still enough for it to cut it. And honestly, I don't know if it is enough to justify ordering the rotary cutter. I've heard the rotary cutter works really well on the other mats like the teal and the purple, but I don't know if I would actually want to use it on the fabric mat. And I'm debating because this thing doesn't, as far as I know, it doesn't have the key to activate the rotary cutter, so I can't just buy a rotary cutter. I have to buy it in activation, and it comes with the mat, but it is $108, whereas just the fabric mat itself, I want to say, is like $45 or $46. I don't know. That's a hard pill to swallow just to get a rotary cutting blade, but I've heard for certain things like vinyl and things like that, it's a must-have. So I don't know. The swivel does sound interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it there. Next thing you probably see will probably be yellowing in the dress. Talk to you later. Bye.